Cindy and I are visiting Solvang, California, known as the Danish Capital of America. The town is located about 131 miles northwest of Los Angeles. We are here for their annual Danish Days celebration, but before we attend the Friday night evening parade and opening ceremonies, we are stopping off at the Danish Mill Bakery an hour before they close to get in on their 50% off specials. Isn't that the cutest thing here? The Danish Mill Bakery right here. Got these little animated figures. Isn't that great? So FYI people, they have these pastries at the end of the day. This was $8.50 at the bakery. Just lovely. They do not sell day old. Everything is fresh made the same morning and sold during the day. So yeah, just to give you an idea, here is my hand. So it is pretty good size as far as a pastry. Easily this will serve 4 people, maybe 5 people. Okay, let's take a free shuttle up to the start of the parade route.
How many of you think that we're getting a free ride and have no clue where we're
Hey!
Is this anybody's first time in Solvang? Anybody's first timer? All right, well, I'm going to tell you guys a little bit about the history. We have people from all over the world living here. So Solvang was founded in 1911 by a group of Danish people. Where do the Danish come from, by the way? The Danish come from Denmark, that's correct, because the Danes are said to be one of the happiest people in the world.
Here it is. It's called the Candlelight Processional. So you've got the flag of Denmark and you've got the American flag. And this is what they do every year. Look at all these lovely candles. Happy Danish Days. Boy, oh boy. I wasn't expecting this big of a grouping. Okay, now here's the little girls here. I love the little dresses. All the kids dressed up. Don't you love it?
Happy Danish Day! Thank you for coming!
And now we've got the Viking ship. And now we're more into the downtown area here. It's lovely, actually. I'm so glad we had a chance to do this. Gonna let these kids come by again. They're so cute. There they go again. Absolutely love it. And now they're coming into the village. That's where we were earlier. There's that lovely bakery on the other side. They had those animated bakers. Absolutely wonderful. They're waving, they're waving, they're waving. How cute. Danish Days, so cute.
This started back in 1936 as a celebration of the culture and the heritage of Solvang. Being here, you're all set to experience the magic of Danish Days, from delicious Danish treats, lively parades, cultural performances, and it's a weekend that promises fun for the entire family. So with that, I want to say thank you for being here, and it's my pleasure to welcome you.
Well, good morning. Cindy, our friends, and I are about to enjoy a traditional Aebleskiver breakfast. Aebleskivers are Danish pancake balls, cooked in a special Aebleskiver pan, then served with jam and powdered sugar. Our breakfast also included Danish Medister Sausage and orange juice. Morning festivities even included a hilarious Aebleskiver eating contest. For lunch, in our Viking hats, we enjoyed drinks and a Medister Burger in the beer garden. We also tried our luck at axe throwing.
Going well, honey. It's exactly how I play darts.
I couldn't hit the broadside of a barn, but our friend Suzi made it look easy. We also visited the Viking Museum and learned about their rich history. The highlight of the afternoon was the Danish Day Parade. Featuring this year's Danish Day Maid, marching bands, amazing horse-drawn carriages,
the Carlsberg Pilsner Beer Band. Gotta love it. Oh man, that is nice.
a Viking ship,
Oh wow, good toss. Wow. Someone's hitting buildings. They're throwing it so far.
parade floats, and of course, their wonderful Danish dancers. We want to thank the people of Solvang, California for their hospitality, putting such a great Danish Days event together and keeping this little town so unique. Thank you so much for spending some time with us today. If you get a chance, please subscribe and give us a thumbs up. Thank you.